Hi, my name is Elizabeth Whaley, and today I'm going to show you how to edit a photo on photo.com. So first, we're just going to search photo.com on any search engine. Once it pulls up, you're going to hit the edit option on their homepage. From there, you're going to look at the top. It's going to give you an open option. Here, there's going to be several ways that you can import your photo, but for today, I'm just going to use one from my computer. Here, it's going to pull up your files. You're going to click the image that you'd like. It's going to load onto your screen. Now, if you look on the left, they're going to give you several options to edit your photo. If you look at the top again, you have your undo, redo, go back to the original photo, and save. So for today, we're just going to start. You can do simple things like cropping your image. So we'll just crop it just a little bit. Very important, make sure you click apply once you're done with the effect you're using. Another one, they just have some basic edits that you can do. So we're going to increase our sharpness on my photo. Here you'll notice a bar. If you go all the way down on the bar, it's going to kind of blur the image. And if you go all the way up, it's going to make it super sharp. So for here, we're just going to go to about 50. Okay, and another thing we're going to do is add an effect. You're going to go on the left and click the effect option. And again, they're going to give you several ways that you can add an effect. If you notice, there are many that have a diamond next to it. This is the upgraded version of photo.com, and we don't really necessarily want to use that, so we can choose from any of the ones that do not have the diamond next to it. For now, I'm going to use the black and white option. They're going to give me several, but I'm just going to click the second one. Again, you're going to see the bar talking about the intensity. I'm going to change mine to about 70. Again, click apply to make sure you save it. Once you're happy with your image, you're going to look at it and you're going to see a save option. You're going to click it. It's going to pull up this. You can change the name of your file, change the file type, the quality, but I'm pretty satisfied with this, so we're going to click download. It's going to come up on the bottom of your screen. You can click open, and from there it'll pull up your image and you can save it however you'd like. Okay, and there it is. And that's how you edit a photo on photo.com.